Hello class, I'm Jared Elswick and the title of my project is A Forced Retreat from the Louisiana Coast. Today is September 15th, 2019 and the venue for this project is EVS 501 Environmental Management. Identifying the topic. The topic being discussed is if there should be a forced retreat from low-lying regions of the Louisiana coast in order to build a natural barrier to protect people from rising sea levels and increasingly deadlier superstorms. As some people in the region may already be becoming America's first climate change, as the Isle de Charles has already lost 98% of its land and is expected to be inundated in 25 years, and this is just the first of many areas that could soon fall victim to eroding lands and sea level rise. Geographic location. The geographic location being featured is the Gulf Coast, focusing on low-lying cities and towns in the region, especially those shown in the light blue that are vulnerable to just 1 foot of sea level rise. These regions could soon be inundated by rising sea levels. Soils. The local soils are compounding this problem as even without rising sea levels, large areas of the Louisiana are impacted by coastal erosion along with sinking islands. This is due in large part to upstream building of flood control levees and dikes that prevent natural replacement of these soils. These soils were once deposited naturally from other places along the Mississippi watershed. History and background. Between 1932 and 2000, almost 1,900 square feet of land were lost alone, seen in the light brown. This is roughly a football field slipping underwater every hour. The Isle de Charles didn't start out an island and has already lost 98% of its land since 1955. A native tribe living on this island may become America's first climate change refugees as a result. Climate change and the rising sea level. Louisiana has the fastest disappearing delta region in the world, as seen in this chart. Wetlands and barrier islands protect the coast region from strong storms such as hurricanes, so restoring the coast is a vital part of protecting the coast. Sea levels are projected to rise around 2 feet by 2100, which means that this problem is only going to get worse. Policies and concerns. A forced relocation is just the residents of the Isle de Charles has already proven to be expensive, with around 11.7 million being spent by the state and another 48 million being spent from federal grants. The problem is many of these people still living in the area do not want to relocate. Some want to stay and fight by building sea walls and razing their land and homes. The concern is that these efforts may be more costly than relocating and may prove futile. Another concern is that these deepening divisions may only delay prompt action that is needed. Here's the references that I used for this project. Thank you all and have a great day.